Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from AdThrive to your bank account, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from AdThrive to your bank account, start by logging into your AdThrive account. On the dashboard, locate the Payments section. Click on the Payouts option within the Payments section. Check the available balance to ensure you have reached the minimum payout threshold. Next, navigate to the Payment settings. If this is your first withdrawal, you may need to enter your bank account information. Fill in your bank account details accurately, including the account number and routing number. Double-check the information to avoid any errors that could delay the withdrawal. Once your bank details are entered, save the changes. Return to the Payouts option and select the amount you wish to withdraw. Confirm the withdrawal request by clicking on the designated button. You will receive a notification regarding the status of your request. Keep an eye on your email for confirmation that your funds are being processed. Withdrawals typically take a few business days to reflect in your bank account. Monitor your bank account to confirm when the funds have been deposited. If you encounter any issues, contact AdThrive support for assistance. Persisting with these steps will ensure a smooth withdrawal process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.